Western has been manufacturing flashback arrestors in the United States for over 30 years. Every flashback arrestor is 100% tested for functionality and safety, including rigorous tests for flashback, leaks, and reverse flow prevention. Each unit is quality crafted and precision engineered for performance, dependability, and durability. Western flashback arrestors have been lab tested to extinguish over 5,000 sustained flashbacks with absolutely no degradation in performance or safety. They can also individually handle flow rates exceeding 1,300 standard cubic feet per hour and support the cutting of 10-inch thick material. As previously mentioned, Western strongly urges its customers to use both torch and regulator flashback arrestors on each line to ensure maximum safety. Let me explain why. The FA10 series arrestor prevents flashbacks from entering the hose on the torch side. If the arrestor is not installed, the flames could cause the hose to rupture, creating a very hazardous situation. The FA30 series arrestor on the regulator side will prevent a flashback from entering the regulator and cylinder if the hose is compromised. This will also prevent a highly explosive situation from occurring. So you see, using just a torch side flashback arrestor will not protect the regulator and cylinder from flashback caused by a compromised hose due to sparks or another torch. And by the same token, using just a regulator side flashback arrestor will not protect the hose from rupturing from an intense flashback. To sum it up, Western strongly recommends using both flashback arrestors to ensure operator safety. Western's torch side FA10 and regulator side FA30 flashback arrestors have the top quality features and workmanship demanded by today's industrial companies. Both models feature individual color coding for oxygen and fuel line correlation for added safety. A durable UNSC 36000 brass outer body which facilitates greater heat transfer and extends the life cycle of the product. Internal check valves are designed to prevent reverse flow and accidental mixing of oxygen and fuel gases. While some low-end competitive models use a substandard bronze filter that may clog from debris, Western incorporates a rugged sintered 316 stainless steel flame barrier verified to extinguish over 5,000 flashbacks. Connections on Western's flashback arrestors are fixed, leading to a swivel nut hose connection. Some of our competitors market a swivel nut added to their flash arrestors, which in their minds is upsold to you as a benefit. But actually, when you tighten two swivel nuts against each other, they will naturally loosen, increasing the risk of a gas leak. Western also permanently roll stamps the flow direction indicator on the body of the FA10 and FA30. Some of our competitors use stickers which could loosen, burn, or fall off, confusing the end user, leading to possible installation issues and compromised safety. Western flashback arrestors are UL listed and are reusable. Manual resetting is not required. And remember, every Western flashback arrestor is 100% tested for leaks, check valve function, and flashback arrest by our dedicated manufacturing staff. Other manufacturers make their flashback arrestors cheaper through design by trying to make their product more compact and universal. Yet by doing this, they compromise the function of the product. As illustrated here, our poppet, by design, is solidly housed inside a structurally sound surrounding brass body. Because of this stable design, the poppet opens effortlessly to allow for proper gas flow forward and, if needed, precise closing in case of flashback. Our flashback arrestors are nearly 10% shorter and 25% lighter on the torch side. This helps lessen user fatigue. Some manufacturers have come up with lower-priced flash arrestors by means of eliminating length out of their product, thus lowering the cost of raw materials. By eliminating the brass shaft in their design in which the poppet rides, they are relying on the flame block and gasketing to guide the poppet. The problem is that the poppet now becomes a structural support as it rides against the flame block, resulting in friction issues and possible jamming. Even though they think they are simplifying the design, they are actually compromising needed gas flow as well as your personal safety when a flashback occurs. Inferior shortcut features on a product dedicated to safety are unacceptable. Moreover, they defeat the sole purpose of the product. Don't accept cheap imitations. Choose Western.